you have a phone, a laptop, and an internet connection, you already have everything that you need to start making money with AI in 2026. People are using AI to create content, to start businesses, to get clients, and even to make money online without showing their faces. In 2026, AI is no longer a tool for the tech experts. Ordinary people are using it to create income streams from their phones and laptops. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 practical ways people are making money with AI in 2026. And the best part is that most of them require little to no startup capital. If you're meeting for the first time and this video sounds like something that you'd love to watch, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. You can also do well to share this video so that it can reach many people. And let's get started. And the first opportunity is creating AI education content. This simply means learning about AI tools and sharing what you learn with other people through platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even X. For example, if you discover a new tool that helps people to write emails faster, you can create a short video showing people how it works. Then, when someone watches your video and learns something valuable, and you keep doing it consistently, over time people will begin to follow you because they trust your recommendations and they want to stay updated on AI. That way you grow your audience, and as your audience grows, you start making money through brand sponsorships, affiliate commissions, selling courses. You can even make money through paid communities and consulting services. The biggest advantage is that you don't need to be an AI expert. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience. You simply learn and share what you learn. Remember, the people who are making money online are often not the smartest. They are the ones who keep sharing valuable information consistently. The second opportunity is creating Faceless AI videos. A Faceless channel is a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel where viewers never see your face. Instead, you use AI tools to help you create content. For example, you use AI to generate video ideas. You also use AI to help you write a script. You also use AI voice generators to help you narrate the script. And then you combine the stock footages, the images, the animations, and the AI voice to create the final video. Examples of faceless channels include the African folktale stories, Bible stories, motivational contents, finance content, AI tutorials, and so forth. There are so many. Now, you may be wondering, how do people make money from these videos? You may be having a YouTube channel about African folktale stories. Once your channel meets the monetization threshold, you start making money through ad revenue, if it is YouTube. Creators can also earn from affiliate links, sponsorships, and digital product sales. Some faceless channels earn hundreds or thousands of dollars every month because they focus on producing valuable content consistently. The third opportunity is affiliate marketing for AI tools. This one is the simplest AI business models, and this is how it works. Many AI companies, they want more users, and to achieve this, they have to create affiliate programs whereby they give you a special referral link. So when someone clicks the link and purchases the AI tool, you earn a commission. For example, if an AI tool costs $30 per month, then the company offers a 30% affiliate commission. For every customer you refer, you earn around $9 every month. And if you can refer 100 customers, that could become significant recurring income. You may be asking, how do you do it? First of all, you have to join the affiliate program. Most of them are free. Then you get your unique link. After getting that unique link, you can now then focus on how to get customers. And this is how you can get customers. You can create content around those tools. It can be a YouTube video showing how to use the tool. You can also write a blog post comparing the tools. You can also do Instagram reels of AI tools that you love. You can also post on TikTok, share tutorials. You can also create reviews and comparisons. This is because many people are constantly searching for AI tools that can save them time and at the same time improving their productivity. Now, your job is simple. Just to connect them with the right solution, which is the affiliate link that you have. Just put the link in your description while you are referring them to that link. They click the link and buy the tool that they are interested in. And that way you make your money. The fourth opportunity is selling AI generated digital products. These are simply digital products that you create with AI. A digital product is anything someone can buy and download instantly. An example of digital products include ebooks, templates, social media packs, prompt packs, checklists, business documents, and so forth. There are so many, just to mention a few. And now, this is where AI becomes extremely useful. AI can help you research ideas, generate outlines, write content. It can help you improve your grammar. AI can also help you to brainstorm product concept. You can also use AI design tools to help you come up with attractive layout and graphics. For example, you could create a social media content planner for small businesses, or even a collection of AI prompts that can help content creators save time. Before AI came, writing a 30-page ebook could take you weeks. But now you can just brief ChatGPT or Cloud and it drafts the whole thing in minutes. You create the product once, then you sell it repeatedly without creating it again. And this is why digital products are considered highly scalable. The more people buy it, the more income you generate. The fifth opportunity is AI marketing. Most small businesses, that local restaurant in your area, that dentist, and those clothing brands along the road, they know they need better marketing. The problem is they don't have time to do it themselves, and this creates a huge opportunity. So, you can use AI tools to help these businesses create social media posts. You can also use these AI tools to help these businesses generate marketing ideas. You can also use these AI tools to help these businesses write emails. You can also use AI tools to help these businesses write content calendar. And you can also use AI tools to help these businesses produce marketing graphics. And here is a simple example. A local business owner may need daily Facebook posts. Now, by using AI, you can create a month's worth of content much faster than doing everything manually. Then you can now charge the business a monthly fee for managing their content. The business saves time here and you also earn your income. And because AI helps you work faster, you can serve more clients. And this is why AI marketing is becoming one of the most in-demand skills in 2026. So, those are 5 practical ways people are making money with AI in 2026. AI education content, faceless AI videos, affiliate marketing for AI tools, selling AI digital products, and AI marketing services. The important thing that you need to understand is that AI doesn't automatically make people money. People make money by using AI to solve problems, to save time, and to create value for others. So you can choose one of these opportunities and then focus on it. Stay consistent and then give it enough time to grow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos on AI, business ideas, passive income, and personal growth. Also, you can let me know in the comments which of these 5 AI income ideas will you try first. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.